Your alcohol sales are shrinking, and if you haven't seen it on your P&L yet, you will. According to Gallup, only 54% of Americans reported drinking alcohol in 2025. That's the lowest rate since 1939. Why? A couple reasons. Young adults drink far less than previous generations. Guests on GLP-1 medications are ordering fewer drinks, and more people are simply choosing moderate drinking or no drinking at all. But here's what matters for your restaurant. Guests still want to drink something. In fact, non-alcoholic beverages, or NA beverages for short, sales grew 26% in 2025. That's not a trend, that's a shift. And it's a profit opportunity if you move now. Here's what we're covering. Analyzing your current sales data, building a strategic non-alcoholic menu, engineering it for profit, replacing low-margin soft drinks, training your team to sell, marketing your NA program, adapting for today's K-shaped economy, and refining with real data over time. Let's get into it. Step 1. Start with your POS data. Before you build anything new, understand what you're actually losing. Run your product mix report for the past 12 months and compare alcohol sales year over year. Pull your profit margin report to see which drinks actually make money. Look for patterns by day part, day of week, and season. Your point of sale data already has every answer you need. Step 2. Build a strategic non-alcoholic menu. This can't be an afterthought. Your mocktails need the same thoughtfulness as your cocktails. Use premium NA spirits like Seedlip or Ritual Zero Proof. Add quality non-alcoholic beer from brands like Athletic Brewing and Guinness Zero. Give every drink a creative name and a menu description that highlights the craftsmanship behind it. Step 3. Engineer it for profit. Non-alcoholic cocktails can hit 60 to 80% profit margins when you engineer them correctly. Repurpose herbs from your kitchen. Use the citrus your bar already orders. Batch your syrups and infusions. Aim for ingredient costs under 20%, then charge $10 to $12 for the experience. Step 4. Replace low-margin soft drinks. Every $2 soda you sell is a missed opportunity. Swap mass-market beverages for craft sodas, prebiotic options like Olipop, house-made ginger beer, or fresh-pressed juice. You can still carry standard sodas, just don't feature them. Step 5. Train your team to sell NA options. Your servers and bartenders won't sell what they don't understand. Have them taste every non-alcoholic product you carry. Give them language to use when presenting the drink menu. Normalize the conversation so guests never feel like they're settling for less. Step 6. Market your NA program. Give your mocktails and non-alcoholic beer equal real estate on your menu. Use the same quality photography you use for cocktails. Feature them on social media. Build seasonal campaigns around Dry January and Sober October, but keep them visible all year. Step 7. Adapt for the K-shaped economy. Create tiered pricing within your NA menu so guests at every price point have a compelling option, including guests who still want alcoholic beverages. We call this the K-shaped or split economy. Some guests want premium spirits and top-shelf pours. Others, especially younger adults practicing moderate drinking or none at all, want a craft experience without alcohol. Your beverage program needs to serve both. Step 8. Refine using sales data. Run menu engineering analysis monthly. Identify your stars, your puzzles, your plow horses, and your dogs. Cut what isn't working. Test 1 or 2 new items each quarter. Track them for 30 days, and keep what earns its place. Here's the bottom line. Guests ordering fewer drinks isn't going to reverse. But restaurants that treat non-alcoholic beverages as a real profit center, not a reluctant add-on, are the ones that come out ahead. Your POS platform already has the data. Run the reports, build the menu, train the team, track the results. If you want to see how Spot On can help you use your point of sale data to engineer a more profitable beverage program, there's a link in the description to book a free demo. If this was helpful, hit that subscribe button. We put out real restaurant advice every week. Thanks for watching. Now go build that menu.